In this, the Maintaining Your Website guide, we will take you through the various functions of the toolbar in the page editor of ConvallisCMS. The first thing is to show you how to create a link to another website or a page within your own site. To start, select the text that you would like the link to direct to, then click the Create Link button in the toolbar. You will then come to the Create URL Link box. Complete this box by entering the URL. Next, enter a tooltip, which is the alternative text that is shown when your mouse hovers over the link. You also have the option to select where the browser window in which the link opens is. The default setting is Current Window. If the link is to a different website, you may want to use New Window. When this is completed, click OK and your link text will now be highlighted in the editor. To change the link, click the URL link properties in the menu and then the Create URL Link box will open to allow you to change or edit the link. Next, I will show you how to insert a table on your website. To start, click the Insert Table button on the toolbar. The Insert a Table menu will then be displayed as shown. Table widths can be changed either by pixels or by percentage. The column buttons at the top allow you to change how many columns are in your table. Similarly, with the Rows button, you can add or remove rows on your table. Should you wish to merge a column or row, use the span buttons as shown. If you want space, or padding as it's known, around your text in a cell of your table, use the cell padding box to set this up. Similarly, if you require space between your cells, use the cell spacing box. From this left-hand menu, you can also set up borders, background colour or background images. At the bottom of this box there is a menu in which you can set up the alignment of your table as it will be shown on your website. Once you have finished setting up your table, press OK to complete the setup. If you ever need to edit your table, right-click the table and then select what you wish to edit. The next button on the toolbar that I will show you is the Insert a Horizontal Line button. When you click this button, a horizontal line will be inserted in the place where your cursor is. Should you wish to delete the line, click it and then press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. Images are an important part of any website, and the next button on the toolbar will allow you to insert images on your site. Once the button has been selected, you will come to the Insert Image box. Click Browse to access your image gallery. The gallery will show images that have already been uploaded to use on your site. There is a separate video to show how to upload documents and images to the gallery. Select the image that you require and the details will be added to the file path. A preview of the image will then be shown. Click Select to continue. The Insert Image box will now be shown again, this time with the image URL in place. Give the image some alternate text. This is the text that will be shown when a visitor hovers their mouse over it. If you want a shadow on your image, check the Show Shadow box. The next step is to set up the width and height of your image. If you do not select the box between the width and height, the image will be distorted. Another thing to consider is where on the page your image will be placed in relation to your text. To do this, first select the alignment menu in the box and then choose where you want your image to be placed. If you would like a border around your image, select the border thickness box and enter a number. The higher the number, the thicker the border will be. To add space between the image and text, use the horizontal and vertical spacing boxes. The lower the numeric value, the less space there will be. When you've completed all that is required, press OK and the image will be pasted onto the page editor. To edit or change the image, right-click on the image and then select Image Properties to see the Edit Image box. Make any changes as required and click OK to confirm. There may be times when you want your website visitors to download documents to view, for example a PDF document or a large image. This is achieved using the Document Upload option. Select the document from the list that you wish to upload, press Select, and there will be a link to the document in the page editor. To edit the text of the link, click within the link, write the text you want to appear, then delete the old text. Things that we will look at are the headers. Headers are a very important part of your website content, not only to the overall look, but to the SEO of your site. This is because when the search engines check the website code, HTML, of your site, they are looking to see if the content includes certain items such as headers. To insert a header, select the text and then select the drop-down header menu as shown. Choose which header you require and the text will automatically change font size. Each header varies in font size, with header 1 being the biggest and header 6 being the smallest, and it is recommended that for headers at the top of a page are set as header 1. The next button that we look at is the Insert Special Character button. This allows you to put a character such as a tick or copyright symbol as part of your text. Click the button on the toolbar and you'll be presented with the box containing the special characters that are available. Select the character that is required and it will be placed on the page editor as shown.